Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on a Xiaomi Redmi K90. Okay, before we launch our WhatsApp, let's launch our settings. And in here, let's make sure that we are logged into proper Google account. You need to be aware that if you're logged into wrong Google account, you won't have possibility to restore your chats. So simply find Google, tap on it, and in here, sign in into the same Google account that you have selected when you were creating a backup before. If you are logged into proper account, we can now launch our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Select the language and click on Agree to continue. We can agree to send us the notifications, and now in that place we need to type our phone number. Then click on Next. And we also need to verify our phone number using one of the two methods. We have the code from the SMS message, and we also have the missed call function. It's up to you which method you want to use. In my case, I'll stick to missed call. Simply click on Continue, click on Allow for everything that pops out on the screen. Alright, automatically verified. And now we have the contacts, click on Continue, click on Allow, and now select Restore from Backup. Then click on Continue, and now the restoring process has started. As you can see, we are restoring from the same Google account that I'm currently signed in the settings of my device, so everything is properly. 30 messages restored, click on Next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you're interested. Then hit on Next once again. And now as you take a look, we are ready to use our WhatsApp. Everything has been successfully restored, including photos and also videos. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.